Yo, I don't know what's going on out there. Nah. This is Hurricane 2K7 dollars. Hurricane Dean, son. Yo, man, this should be Hurricane dollars.
Why am I going in slippers?
Dude, man, I was wearing sandals. You want to wear the strap sandals?
That's what that local guy is doing.
Yeah, man. Ah, now Nermal's wearing the gear. The gear, yes.
We're fly fishing.
He's wearing the gear. You are fly fishing.
Alright, go check the email. Go check the email.
Alright, let's go on campus.
You know that monkey song that's Alright, maybe not. I know.
I don't know why I did that, because now the camera's...
Campus.
Alright, Nermal, you crazy bastard.
You know you can do it. Yes.
Yar.
Have faith in you.
Yeah. Ah, damn it, I got hit by water.
Go with it. Go with the flow.
Lean into
Don't go
it.
against it. No.
Lean into it. And lean into it. Yo, I'm gonna have to like, I think my camera's gonna die from water. Oh yeah, you know hurricane? Rain?
And go check my place real quick.
Yeah, check on Bear Cub while you're at it. Because tonight is the night. Yes! Yes, he did it. Now come on in, you dumb bastard.